Hello, my name is Jagan Loftus, and we're here at Jones Technical Institute. Today, we're going to be talking about doing a hose replacement. We found one of the trainers out there had a hose that was leaking, so we figured out what we got to do, the fittings we got to use, everything we need for it. First things first, you're going to cut your hose. This machine right here will help you out with that. You're going to set it up right in here, wedge your line right in here, and then this thing works basically just like any table saw or anything like that. You got a trigger up here. This guard moves by itself. This blade is a specially made blade made to cut wires, steel wires, the steel wires that are in your hydraulic tubing. So basically what you'll do is you'll have this set up, mark the length that you want, hit the trigger, and then just go down. See the guard lifts up automatically. So that's what you'll do to cut your hose. I've already got my hose cut out the exact length that I need. So next thing you got to do is you're going to find what fitting you're going to be using to put onto the hose. So after our research, we found that we needed the 4G fitting. It fits a 1/4 inch hose. Over here, this chart helped us out. If you look, these are just some of the common. There are tons of fittings. Common fittings, uncommon, rare fittings, all that kind of stuff. This is the one we got right here. You can see it's very similar. There's one down here that looks almost exactly like it, and that's where you want to be careful. Read it, male inverted swivel. This one's got a swivel. This little thing's going to be spinning, and on this one you can see that it's not. So now we get over to the crimping machine, and where we have a little chart here that's going to help us figure out exactly what die set we're going to need, the readout of how many pounds pressure it's going to put on it or whatever. And then, so got our line, going to come back here and turn it on. I got half the die set in there, so I'm going to go ahead and put the other half in with my hose. Now I don't have it in there 100%. I just have it in there just so I can show you guys a few quick things. When you put it in there, you're going to want to set it up right at the end of that flare. Make sure you got a nice hold on it. So let me just get one last try and get this set up the right way. Get it in there. There we go. That looks good. So next thing you're going to do is you're going to want to make sure that these are level with each other, because you've got this plate here. This helps make sure that all the weight is dispersed evenly across the whole thing, that you've got an even crimp all the way around. So this is going to fit level on the thing. You want it to fit nice and flat. This whole piece right here just slides back into place. You're in place. Right back here we've got our power. So we turn our power on. You see we got our digital readout up here. From the chart, we know that we've got a 1/4 inch hose size and a 4G type fitting. So this is going to be the one that we're on. So we come over here, die set 721, right in there. It's going to tell you on the bottom of the die set which one it is. So you'll look there, find the 721, and then our digital readout is already on what we need to put it on there. For 4.5, but the adjustment knob is right here. You'll adjust that up or down, counterclockwise for down, clockwise for up. So we'll go up to 54.50 like we need to be, and then you take this button right here. Always make sure you got your PPE on, eyeglasses, steel toe boots. Anything can go wrong here. Just make sure you're safe. This is the button that's gonna make everything happen, so let's do that. And if you come up here, it's showing you the actual amount that it's having to press on it. So once you're done crimping, the thing will automatically go back up. We'll wait for that. Move this here forward. Take off that leveling plate. And you're good and crimped to go. Next step will be to get your other side. So you want to make sure that you're getting your fitting nice and flush. That thing is pushed down as far as it can go on the tubing. This has been Jake and Loftus. Thanks for watching.